Hey guys, David here with the Yacht Group. I know the biggest question that many sailboaters, even powerboat owners have is drilling a hole in your boat. A lot of these thrusters could be, anywhere from 4, 5, 6-inch holes just to place a thruster on your boat. Now with our externally mounted thruster, the biggest hole you'll be drilling is 1 1/4 inch. That is right. That is the biggest hole you will be using is 1 1/4 inch. You mount it. Once you mount it, you're gonna have 2 more smaller screws to brace it in place. And that's it when it comes to drilling holes on the boat. After that, you're pretty much just running your cables to your battery and to your iBox connection, as well as running over to your control station. Check us out at theyachtthruster.com.